Here's the ASL tutorial for what it sounds like from Kpop Demon Hunters. So I started with my ideas and expressions. So ideas, letter I, at your head. I just go 2 sounds, then expression again 2 sounds. So my ideas and expressions, it goes above my head, and then I grab it and push it down. So this is the sound push to press. So your facial expressions come into play a lot in this song, so it's not going to make sense without the expression. So remember the expression. My ideas and expressions, grab it and pull it down, fingers open, pull it down. And the next word is my problems or flaws. I should have still opened up and let everyone basically see me for who I am. So problems, 2 curves, V's, goes up and down, open up. So that's the A shape at your chest, and it's like you're opening your chest, you're opening up to people. So my problems, still open up, Y shape. So here grab, still open up, then everyone can see me. So this is multiple people, the letter 4, number 4. So all, my left hand is flipping and my right hand is going around for all. And then there's just a big audience seeing me for who I am. Show me your inside have what? So that's show me, point to your palm, side out, bring it to yourself. Your inside have what? For what, open the fingers, and then we will figure out your harmony. So figure out that's the K shape. And then harmony is your fingers just curves and open and going together, going down. Remember the song that we struggled with. So remember A shape, one hand at your forehead, goes down, connects. Remember the song. Both fingers are closed. The song of music. There's 2 of us, K shape. 2 of us. And that's struggle. Point your finger in the circle. Now we finally resolved it. So Y shape again, goes down for now. Finally, point your finger at your mouth, goes out. Then solve. Solve. So remember the song we struggle with. Now it's finally resolved. Then I'm opening my chest, holding my heart out, and this is what it sounds like. Someone said it looks like medicine. This is medicine. Medicine. I'm right-handed, so it'll be medicine. But I'm holding my heart out with my right hand. This is like the sound vibrating from it. So that's the middle finger, and you shake it, it goes out. So we struggled at first, but now we finally know how to express ourselves to the world, is what I'm trying to say. So it sounds you're grabbing a hold of it. So quiet, and then goes into peace, sound. Then 2 hands, both grabbing. So remember facial expression, so don't go, it kind of changes the meaning a little bit. So make sure you go with confidence. Curve 2 again, start there and flip it over into your palm. Defiant, push your fist turning around, and you have a border here. Again, quiet, shot. So fingers are open and curved for shot. We're not alone anymore. So alone, number, that's the number 3, going in the circle, number. We listen to the demons, so inside, hesitate, weak-minded. So that's inside. Hesitate is the A shape, go up and down, and then weak-minded. This is the sign for weak, and you put it on your head, that's weak-minded. So we were weak-minded, and we accepted barriers. You don't have to do it 3 times like I did. You can just do it 1 time. That's like you're not letting anyone get close to you. So you have a barrier up, back shape, not X shape, but with the hand. So we accepted barriers there to your chest. Then again I signed alone, 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 like a couple of signs, just alone, then now we're together. So shake your head, now we're together. I was just showing the order of the signs for the next few lines, just more PSV and not perfect ASL. So I did just re-record. That's the exact words basically. So yes, Viva Carols, fingers are open, shake it. And then there's Viva Larios. That's like a flat V shape, cross them, and do a shin. And then I wish I did Tero's knot. So again, Tero is the 1 and 2 both go up. Knot is the A shape and do a shin, goes up. The stair survivor. So again, stair, the Y shape, side here goes up. Survivor, A shape, side at the bottom goes up. And then I sign continue. So we continue to survive. That's the A shape. Thumbs that connects it goes up. Dream, your hands together, and then you open them, regular fingers. Dream above your head. So dream, don't fight. This is the sign for war. So fingers are open, go in the circle. So it's like a war, we're fighting. So dreamers, fighters, large number. Again, that's the number 3, go in the circle. Line number. Then I'm tired. So we start with the A shape and go all the way down with the hand. So that's different from tired. It's more emphasized, it's more like a bone deep tiredness. So you start and you pour it all out. Again, don't forget the facial expression. So I'm tired, then there's fire and then burning up. So in the fire, so you're in the fire and you're burning up. In the circle. And then for burning up, just go straight up. Me two, join, support together. So 2 is the Y shape, shake it. Me two, join, support. Fifth. Then there's 2 of us. That's what I said. That's it. For join, I feel like you should hold your fingers. Not like that. So it's join, thumbs in.